afternoon class. This is lecture number 2nd of chapter number 4. Today we are going to discuss the formation of image by a plane mirror. I have taught a wrong information in the last lecture that image formed by a plane mirror is always virtual and erect. I think I said that the image formation by a plane mirror is real and inverted, not real and inverted. Instead of that, the virtual and erect. How it is, we can further discuss. Okay, virtual and erect. Erect means see the image. Okay, so that's why that is wrong somehow. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, now we will discuss the formation of image by a plane mirror. Okay, let us see. We have two types of surfaces. First one is reflecting surface, on which reflection takes place, and second one is opaque surface, when there is no reflection is obtained through this surface. Okay. Let we have an object here, and we have to incident two rays from this object. Normal for this ray is this is the normal. Okay, angle of incidence I. Then we have a reflected ray. This is reflected. Okay, angle of incidence, incident ray, reflected ray, for the first case. Okay, now we are introducing one more ray from that. Okay, this is just a screen. We can say that this is as a screen, and we have to incident one more. Okay, now this is angle of incidence for that ray, I2, I1, R1 and R2. Yes or no? I1 equal to R1 and I2 equal to R2. Now for the image formation, we have to produce these ray in such a way that both the rays are meeting at a point. Let this point be P. This is O and P and Q. Okay. Now this is the image of that object. Let us suppose this is the circle. Okay, this is a circle. We have to incident first of all a single ray. This is the angle of incidence for the first ray. This is incident ray, reflected ray. Then this is second incident ray from the same object. Okay, object and image. Okay, now the second ray is that this is the angle of incidence, this is the angle of reflection from that surface. Okay, these two are the normal, first one and this one. We can see that this is N1 and this is N2. Okay, if you have 100 number of rays, okay, for different point at different point, then we have the number of normal are equal to the number of incident. Okay, now for the image formation behind the surface of the mirror. Okay, now the very important concept is that, like, let us suppose this is mirror. Okay, this is mirror. like ये मिरर है और हमने ये ऑब्जेक्ट इस मिरर से ओपी डिस्टेंस पर रखा, लेट हम इसको एज्यूम करते हैं कि यहाँ से ये एक्स डिस्टेंस है, मिरर से ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस एक्स है, तो मिरर के जो वर्चुअली हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट की जो इमेज बनेगी वो भी एक्स डिस्टेंस बनेगी। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। यही मैंने आपको पिछले लेक्चर में बताया था कि जितनी ऑब्जेक्ट से डिस्टेंस होगी मिरर की, ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस उतनी ही मिरर की इमेज से भी डिस्टेंस होगी। इट मीन्स द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द इमेज एंड ऑब्जेक्ट, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द इमेज एंड ऑब्जेक्ट, ओके, फ्रॉम द मिरर आर इक्वल। So can we see that OP equal to PQ? Yes or no? OP is distance of object from mirror, and PQ and what is PQ? PQ is the distance of image from the mirror. Okay, I think this is very clear, and you have to make this diagram in your copy. Don't copy the diagram of book. Okay, you have to make out this diagram. Okay, next we have image of an object of finite size. Actually, this is the example of image of a finite size object, because circle is a finite size object. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the image formation of a pencil or a pen, for which we have to take two sides, like two ends, means two ends, like this is pencil, and we have to make out first ray, and then we have second. Then we have images. So like this, and we have, this is the image of, very simple object. Okay, first one like this, and similarly second is, and then just meet the point of the reflected ray in the virtual surfaces. These are known as the virtual surfaces because these are the line behind the mirror. Why it is? Because if this is the mirror, so this is front side and this is the opposite side. Okay, image formation behind the mirror is always virtual. Okay, image formation in front of the mirror is always real. If a real image, then it must be inverted image. If you find an image as virtual, then it's always erect image. Okay, virtual and erect, and real and inverted. These are the two types of basic type of say image formation by a mirror. Okay, now we took a pencil or a pen for the image formation. Let us see. And you have to draw with the help of pencil and scale, so that the angle of incidence are always equal. Okay, also you can take help of the protractor also, so that angle must be same. Angle must be same means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay. In board there may be some errors. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so this is I3, I4, R4 and R3. Okay. So this is the image. This is pencil or pen or object. We can see that this is the object. This is opaque surface. The reflecting surface. You have to draw these type of diagram. Okay, important for the exam also. Okay, so do not copy. At least you have to try 2 to 3 times for making this diagram. Okay, so that you have the basic idea how to draw, and make sure about the angle of incidence must be equal to the angle of reflection in all the cases. Okay, here we have 4 cases. Okay, I repeat, this is first angle of incidence, angle of reflection, incident ray, reflected ray. Then second we have second incident ray, angle of incident I2, angle of reflection R2. This is second reflected ray. Okay, now we have third incident ray I3, making angle I3 with the normal N3, N4, N2 and N1. Okay, this is angle of reflection for the third ray. Now fourth one, angle of incidence and angle of reflection between the angle of fourth angle of reflection is in between the N4 and reflected ray number 4. Okay, so without arrow the diagram is incomplete. Always you have to make arrow in all these rays. Okay, don't do in this type of ray, virtual rays. Okay, otherwise you have to. So you have to repeat for this. For more clarity you can repeat the video also. Okay, thank you so much. In the next lecture we will discuss the rest of the part of the chapter. Okay, thank you.